Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your XIAOMI Mi and Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, we have to scroll down and find passwords and security. Click on the screen lock on the password. Here we got our currently locked method, it's pattern, but we can change it clicking right here. For PIN, for example, input your next lock method, so in my case it will be 4-digit PIN, very common, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click continue and confirm with the same PIN. Right now we can easily lock device and unlock by using our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.